Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the Afro Gardener. Today I just wanted to give y'all an update on some things that have been going on, and so that's what I'm gonna do. Let's get into it.
I dream of you and I help if I dream of you every night. Dream of you and I help if I dream of you every night. Dream of you and I help if I dream of you.
So today is January 23rd, and it's a cool like 40 degrees outside. It's not too bad. The last 2 days it's been in the 20s all day. Like, it's been cold all day, and then at night it's been super cold. So I was going to start some seeds the other day, but I was like, this weather is playing with me, and I don't have time to start some seeds, and then all my stuff die because I'll be devastated. And so I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer to even start some seeds. I got some new ones coming in, so I'm really excited about that. I cannot wait. I'm just sitting, y'all. I'm sitting here waiting on spring light. Like, can you please come on? Come on, spring, please, please, come on. Like, come on, warmth. I just need a little bit of warmth. And the weather's been tricking me because it'll be like 60 degrees one day, and then 2 days it's 20 degrees, and I'm like, why? Why you do? Be consistent. Just be consistent, like. But I already know, Tennessee weather is really fickle and really all over the place. So, you can have literally all 3 seasons in one day. So, it is what it is. But I did have some really good success with the project that I did with the garden soil bag and the bin on top. And I'll insert a clip so you guys can see it. Hey guys, I wanted to do a little update on the seeds that I sowed in this bag. They're looking great. I did harvest from right here, so you can kind of tell that I've been in it. But look at this, y'all. Look how lush. Look how lush. Got my tatsoi, some lettuce, Chinese cabbage. I'm just really excited. And I have been eating on it, so you can tell, like right here. I've been putting some in my salads, and just different recipes I've been trying out with it. It's a really sunny day today, so I just took the top off. There are some little buggies that have been trying to get into it, but that's okay. For the most part, it looks really good, so I'm not worried about it. I just want to update you guys on what I had growing in here. I also have this one that's kind of like a teepee. I just found this plastic, but it's been working well as well, if you can tell. If you peek in here, they're kind of small. Bigger ones toward the back, but they're actually doing really great. I did want to show you guys some of the Japanese mustard greens that have just been popping up everywhere. They're popping up everywhere. But I did have these planted over here, and they're doing really well. I'm excited. Look, guys, look. And I got some Chinese cabbage growing right here, and some more greens. That's about all that's going on in my garden right now. And these are not covered. I have not been covering these at all. I have not covered these at all. But that's about it. That's the top soy there. Just one lonely top soy. But yeah, I'm literally just waiting on spring. And I'm trying to do a better job of, being more prepared. Because last year, I just threw the stuff out there, y'all. Like, I was like, and I don't want to do that this year. I want more of, like, an actual plan. So I have been preparing and planning on where I'm going to put everything, and how everything's going to work. So I'm so excited, and I cannot wait for spring. Like, it's been raining so much. It's been cold. I'm just so ready for spring and then summer. So, yeah. But, I didn't really have like a topic for this video, but I just wanted to get on here and rap with y'all for a minute. I'm just playing. But, I hope y'all have a great rest of the day today. And, be blessed. See you later.